All right, so, we're in Schoology. We're in the folder for the 19th through 20th. Okay, pretty short day again. I told you you have two things here. Okay, I told you that we were finishing up the note cards, right, today. So here's your last part of the note cards, and then we have another little assignment. So let's go ahead and look at the note card assignment. Okay. So what you're doing is you're creating one note card for each of these 7 steps for how a bill becomes a law. Okay, so for the term, I want you to write the step number. So step 1. Okay, then the definition on write the step 1 card. Okay, you're going to write out exactly what happens in that step. So on page 199 in your Module 6 textbook PDF, directly states what step 1 is. Okay, and so I want you writing out exactly what step 1 is. Okay, so again, right, the term would be step 1 or step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7. Okay, and then the definition for each step on the back of the card, if you're doing note cards, right, you are going to write out exactly what that step does. Okay, again, do not put, for the definition, do not repeat saying that it's step 1, right? Because when you read it, you want to be able to, oh, that's this step. Okay, so after you've created these 7 note cards, you should now have a total of 35 note cards. If you have less, you need to go back through all the different parts of our Constitution note cards and make sure that you have everything. So basically you should have, right, the preamble card, the 7 articles, right, and then the powers of Congress, the President, and the Supreme Court, right? And then you should have what the definition of Bill of Rights is, and then also all first 10 amendments. So that's 11 more. Then you should have the note cards from Monday, Tuesday, which were those 6 extra amendments that I wanted you to learn, right? The 13th, 14th, 15th, 19th, 22nd, and 26th Amendment. And then now these 7 steps for how a bill becomes a law. Okay, you should have 35 note cards. Okay? All right. If we go back to the folder, okay, there's an assignment called How a Bill Becomes a Law. Okay, you're going to use page 199 in your Module 6 PDF to answer the questions for how a bill becomes a law. Okay. So, when you start it, okay, there's fill in the blanks, okay, and then some little multiple choice, and then you're ordering those ones. I will say the ordering questions, like number 6 here, it works a lot better in the Schoology app. Okay, it works better in the Schoology app. So make sure to I would use the Schoology app for question 6, okay, and then more fill in the blank for 7 and 8, okay. For 8, okay, you're using that link provided, right, okay. Question 8 is the only one you're using this link provided, right. So you'd go to that link to be able to answer question 8. It's a very short thing. You should be able to easily be able to see the answer to that. Okay? All right. Any questions for what we are doing today. All right. I mean, if you have no other questions, okay, you are free to go. Okay, to work on your assignments. Of course, if you do have questions, come find me in office hours. The link is there in the folder. Okay, from 1 to 3:45, and I can answer any of your questions.